Ever needed to hand over control of a Trello board but weren't sure how? Maybe you're stepping back from a project, restructuring your team, or just delegating admin responsibilities. Whatever the reason, transferring board ownership in Trello is quick, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by logging into your Trello account. Head to the Trello website and click Log In. If you normally sign in with Google, select that option and choose your Google account. If you use another method, just make sure you log in using the same one you used when you created the account. Once you're in, go to the board you want to transfer. From your dashboard, you'll see a list of your boards. Just click the one you want to open. Now that you're inside the board, look toward the top of the page for the Share button. This is where you manage access and permissions. Click it, and a panel or window will open showing the board members and their roles. Find the person you want to make the new owner. You'll see a drop down or options next to their name. Select the setting that promotes them to admin. The moment you do this, they'll gain full administrative rights to the board. With a new admin in play, it's time to remove yourself from that role. Near your name on the board, click the drop down menu and select Leave Board. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Leave again to finish. And that's it. The new admin now fully controls the board, and your previous role is released. This seamless transfer helps teams stay organized and prevents any overlap or confusion in management. If this guide helped you out, make someone's day by sharing it with them. For more quick and clear tutorials like this, stick around. There's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.